online class is all about the solutions of the slip test which was asked in the last week. So there were 10 questions asked. Let's see one by one question. The first question was, what is the purpose of a pie chart is? There are various ways it is possible to show the data in the pictorial form, like bar chart, column chart, pie chart, line graph, like various charts the Excel provides for us. And one of it is, pie chart is to show especially the percentages, how much percentage a student received when you're talking about an overall, as well as the ratios. So that situation, pie chart is more suitable one. When you see the other options, which I asked you to show the values, no, to show the values, you can go for the line chart or you can go for the column chart. So pie chart is not in a circular form. To show in a circular form, of course, pie chart in circular form, but thing is here now call is not a circle. It's possible you can expand it also. And to show in a column form, also wrong. The correct answer for the question of the purpose of a pie chart is to show the percentages. Let's go to the second question. The pressing of F1 key on the keyboard allows us to get the what happens. In the keyboard, there are various keys available, and the most important constants are F1 to F12. What are the application you use? It is a standard one. F1 means help. Every application should reserve F1, meaning is a help, you should provide it. So the answer for this question is help. It is not here now invokes the menu. No, that invokes the menu is F10 key. F10, if you press, it invokes the menu. Saves the present session? No. Exit the application. Exit the application is possible through Alt F4. If you press, it is possible you can exit from the application. Let's move to the third question. This is one of the interesting one. A delimiter is a symbol or space, what it does. A delimiter which allows us to split the data. In an Excel cell, I have a bigger data is there. I'm supposed to split that one into the more than one cells, into more than one columns. How do you do that one? The word for that is delimiter. So answer is separate the data you wish to split. Might be called comma or space or a full stop. You can use it based on your purpose. You can use the delimiter. Allows us to enter the data? No, it is wrong. Maximize the cell width? No, it's wrong. Merges the two cells is also wrong. It separates the data you wish to split. Let's go to the fourth one. What is here to restrict the type of the data or the values that user enters into the cell? Here now call, I would like to validate the data. So that user, whenever is entering the wrong data, and I'll get some color. Here no message is possible, right? Message is not possible. Only call, it changes the color. So that time is possible through data validations. So verification happens is after that entered data, we can verify it properly entered or not. But validation is before entering the data, you're putting a condition. And when you're typing the data immediately, because of a condition is applied, and immediately the color also changes. So data validation is to restrict the type of the data or the value that user enters into the cell. A condition is wrong, verification is also wrong. What is here now? Excel built-in what-if analysis that shows how one value in a formula impacts the another one. Answer is goal seek is the correct answer. So when you go to the Excel what if analysis, so we have the features available. So in this one, goal seek is the one. So if you here now call one value is changed, automatically the other value also changes. How one value in a formula impacts the another one? What happens if we change the value is called what if analysis. It's possible for you to do the task using the goal seek feature from the Excel template, add-on feature, or wrong answers. This one is what are the various financial application formulas available. Here I have provided the three of them, and the fourth one is none of the above. The first one is XNPV. It's nothing but NPV only. Excel NPV. So NPV is net present value. XNPV function in Excel is a function that allows us to calculate the net present value of the series of cash flows at irregular intervals. The standard NPV function, the XNPV function allows the user to input specific dates that correspond to discounted cash flows in the series. While XIRR, this is also a IRR, internal rate of return. So Excel calculates the internal rate of return for an irregular series of cash flows. And MIRR, so modified internal rate of return, is a financial measure that helps us to determine the attractiveness of investment and that can be used to compare different investments. So all of them, what you have is called here now, internal rate of return, that we can use it. So all of them falls into the financial application formulas only. XNPV, XIRR, MIRR are part of the financial applications. So that's why none of the above is the correct answer for this question. The templates, the purpose of template in Excel is a pre-designed sheet that can be used to create new worksheet, the same layout, formatting and formulas. There, I would like to have one sheet. I would like to reuse the same sheet for n number of times. So people can say that I can copy that one. Once you're doing the copying of the Excel one, it disturbs the so many things for you. Formulas would be disturbed, the cell widths would be disturbed like that. It's possible for you if you want to use the same sheet for n number of times, go for the template. Create the template, save as a template, and we can, when you said new, existing template can be reuse it. We can create it, and you can save as an Excel sheet. That's possible for you. Not for the new worksheet. New worksheets actually not the correct answer for in these cases. New worksheet possible, but already decided, already pre-designed it. That's why first answer is wrong. To modify the existing sheets, no. To apply formulas, no. Actual answer is Excel template is pre-designed sheet that can be used to create new worksheets, the same layout, formatting, and formulas. So which other function is required to calculate depreciations? The answer is VDB. So what is the full form of VDB? Variable declining balance. Excel financial function that calculates the depreciation of an asset using the double declining balance method or some other method specified by the user. Well, DB is not the function exist in Excel. Depreciate is not exist in the Excel. Rank is the function which allows to know the position of the value from the existing values. If you want to know the position of the value in the given values, it is possible through rank function. So that is not for the depreciation. VDB, which stands for variable declining balance. So what do you have is called difference between formula versus function. The question is, what is the expression which calculates the value of a cell, and what is the here now called predefined formula that is made available for us to use in Excel. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is a formula. Function is called sum is a function. Of course, you can use sum of 4 comma 3 can be used, no issue. But what is different formula and function is? Formula is which calculates the value of a cell function is predefined formula. The predefined formula that is made available for us to use in Excel. What is here now called a function available? Calculate used to estimate the profitability of a potential investments. I would like to predict the profitability of a potential investments. Answer is internal rate of return. Using that, it is possible we can estimate the profitability. While net present value, so to know what exactly is the value of that one, and the rate and rank, I said already about that. So that's all about this presentation is. And just have a review again one more time to understand this particular MS Excel is to test point of view. Thank you very much.